Coordinate geometry of 10th class, chapter number 7. Question number is also 7. So the question is, A, B, C are the vertices of ABC and AD is its median. And you can see the vertices. A have 7 comma minus 3, B have coordinate 5 and 3, C has coordinates 3 and minus 1. These three are coordinates of vertices of ABC triangle and AD is its median. So we need to prove that the median AD divides ABC into two triangles of equal areas. So let us start. I have drawn a diagram over here. You can see the triangle ABC and having coordinates as 7 and minus 3 for A, 5 and 3 for B, and for C it's 3 and minus 1. AD is median. It means it divides the BC side in equal two equal parts. Means BD is equal to DC. It means D is the midpoint of BC. We will find out the coordinates of D using midpoint formula. So let us say coordinates of D is x comma y. X and y are coordinates of D. And using the midpoint formula, which is x y is equal to x plus x2 by 2 comma y plus y2 upon 2, and using the value of x1 and x2, B is x1 y1 and C has x2 y2 coordinates. Substituting the value of x1 x2 y1 y2 over here, we get D xy is equal to 5 plus 3 upon 2 comma 3 minus 1 upon 2. You can check it with yourself. So dxy is equal to 8 upon 2 comma 2 upon 2. So we have the coordinates of D as, which is midpoint, as 4 and 1. Now we will find out the area of triangles ABD and ADC. We know that area of triangle is equal to, you people must have learnt this formula in coordinate geometry. I am writing over here the same formula: x1 multiplied by y1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 multiplied by y3 minus y1 plus x3 multiplied by y1 minus y2, and half of the whole equation is area of the triangle. Now for triangle ABD, coordinates are A is 7 and minus 3, B has 5 and 3, and D has 4 and 1. Area of ABD will be, by substituting the value of x1, x2, x3 and y1, y2, y3, we get this formula. Simplifying, we get this formula: 14 plus 20 minus 24 upon 2, that is 10 upon 2, which is 5 square units. Because we have not been given the unit of this triangle, it may be millimeter, centimeter or meter. So we have find out the area of triangle ABD is equal to 5 square units. Now we will do the same for triangle ADC. You can call it ADC, ACD or DAC, whatever, but area of triangle will remain same. So I have called it ADC, you can call it ACD also, but in that case you need to use the coordinates as well accordingly. So area of triangle is x1, so you must have learned it. I have written it over here, just substituting the value of coordinates of A, D and C. Here I have taken the coordinate of A as x1 y1, D as x2 y2, C as x3 y3. You can take in another way also. D, in case of DAC, you can use the coordinates of D as x1 y1 and A x2 y2 and C x3 y3. In case of ACD, you can take it x1 y1 as A and coordinates of C will be x2 y2 and coordinate of D will be x3 y3. All these things are same because area will be exactly the same in value. There may be negative or positive side, but as you know that area cannot be negative, so you can just take the quantity and its quantity or magnitude or its units will be considered. Now substituting the value of x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3, we get this for this equation. On simplifying this, we get 14 plus 8 minus 12 upon 2. So here also we get the 10 upon 2 and area of ADC is equal to 5 square units. Previously we had proved the area of ABD as 5 square units, not proved, we have find out. So we have proved that area of ADC and ABD, the two triangles created by the median AD, are equals and which is equal to 5 square units. Hence we have proved that the median AD divides the triangle ABC into two triangles of equal areas. Now note, as I have explained earlier also, we have taken ADC coordinates. You can take ACD also or DAC also, CAD also, but you need to use the coordinates in that way. However you do it, whatever you did it, do it, doesn't matter. You may get the quantity of area in negative, but as we know that area cannot be negative, so you can take it as positive, and hence we have proved. That's all for this video. In next video we will come with another solution of any question. If you find any difficulty in understanding whatever I have explained in this video, you can ask me in comment. We will definitely clear your doubts in comment box. And if you feel any question which is difficult for you, you are unable to solve it yourself, or you are not getting its solution from anywhere, you can ask us in comment box. You need to just write the complete question in the comment box. We will solve that problem and upload video on our channel. Till then, keep watching videos of our channel. Thank you very much.